Hi friends! Do you know there are 4 seasons in a year? Let's explore them together. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Spring, March to May. Spring is a happy time when baby animals are born. Flowers bloom and everything looks fresh and green. The weather is warmer, and it often rains to help plants grow. Summer, June to August. The hottest season. The sun shines brightly and days are long. It's time for swimming, ice cream, and playing outside. Autumn or fall. September to November. The air gets cooler. Animals get ready for winter, and farmers harvest their crops. It's a beautiful season with lots of colorful leaves. Winter, December to February. Winter is cold and snowy in many places. Trees lose their leaves and animals hibernate. You can build snowmen, drink hot chocolate, and wear warm clothes. Let's remember spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season is special. Which one do you like the most? Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.